In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in Xero. Adding contacts properly in Xero is really important because these contact records sit at the heart of your invoices, bills, and reporting. Once a contact is set up correctly, you can reuse it again and again without retyping details, which saves time and reduces errors. Let's get started from within your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the main menu and find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Xero keeps all your customers, suppliers, and any other organizations or people you do business with. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with other items in your navigation bar, but it will be there. After you click on Contacts, you'll be brought to the Contacts area. Here, you'll see several views such as customers, suppliers, or smart lists depending on your setup. For now, we want to see everything, so click on All Contacts. This view gives you a full list of every contact that already exists in your Xero account, and it's a good place to double check whether the contact you're about to add is already in the system. Once you're on the All Contacts page, look for the button that says New Contact. It's usually located near the top right of the list. Click on New Contact to open a blank contact form. This is where you'll enter all the key information for the person or business you're adding. On the contact form, start by filling in the essential details. Add the contact name exactly as you'd like it to appear on invoices and statements. Then, fill in any relevant address details, email addresses, and phone numbers. If you work with both individuals and companies, make sure you're entering the correct type of information for that contact. You can also add extra details like tax numbers, account numbers, or notes if they apply. The more accurate and complete this information is now, the easier it will be to invoice or bill this contact later. When you're happy with everything you've entered and you've double-checked for spelling or number errors, look for the button labeled Save and Close. Click on Save and Close to create the new contact and return to your contacts list. Your new contact is now stored in Xero and ready to use on invoices